Hello everyone. Today we are at Honeywell's factory. Honeywell is one of the giant brick pad supplier in this world. Let's go and see how they make the premium quality brick pad. Okay, let's go. Here's a grinding workshop. This is full automatic CNC controlled combined grinding machine to press block, chamfering, and the surface grinding. After grinding, the brick pad will be transferred to sandblasting machine. Okay, here is the sandblasting machine. The sandblasting machine is to clean the surface of the backing plate surface before powder coating. Because after grinding, there are a lot of dust stick on the backing plate, so it's better to use sandblasting machine to clean it. Then the brick pad will be transferred to the powder coating machine. Here we use manipulators to grab the brick pad and line up on the powder coating line. This manipulator is working with a camera. It's not only just a camera, it also have the ability to check if the brick pads are right or not. Also, it will tell you if the brick pad was upside down or right side down.